Okay, so we're gonna go over a full tutorial video on how to use the Pinch Perfect pen tool. So this tool is great for any of your sublimation pens, specifically the MakerFlow ones. We have them available on our website, along with a few other MakerFlow products for pen sublimation. What we're gonna be doing is just placing the wrap and the blank chamber in this slot right here, and then pulling our tape over into each of these grooves, and then taking the pen out, finish wrapping, and then we can sublimate it. So let's go over exactly how we're gonna do that. First thing we wanna do is get our design cut out in the correct size for the pen chamber. And the nice thing about this tool is what we have here is called a sizing template. So no matter what image you print out, whatever size it is, as long as it fits this, it'll be perfect for the pen. So what we're gonna do is take this, place this here, and then make sure when you're trimming your design, I like to use an X-Acto knife or something along the lines of that you have something like a cutting board down so you can trim your design without messing up whatever you're cutting on. So we're gonna take the design template, and it has this black pad in the back so it stays put when you apply pressure. So whatever part of the design I'm just gonna go in the middle here, size it up, and then apply pressure with my finger to the point. Take the knife, and then we're just gonna cut along the sides of it like this. So down, cross, cross. We're gonna flip it around, keeping the pressure applied. And then down one more time. Just gonna take this out. So now we have our design that is perfectly sized for your pen. Okay, so now we're gonna wrap our pen with the tool. A closer look at how we're gonna do that. So we have our design and our pen chamber right here, and we're just gonna place it in the groove. And what we wanna do is line the top of this paper right under the Pinch Perfect up there, right like this. And then once we have it lined up, we're just gonna push down. And then once it's in place, it's not going anywhere, then it's time to tape. How we're gonna tape with this is each one of these grooves is one piece of tape. And we're gonna start in the back, tape down onto the tool, pull over, and then tape down here. So this side of the paper is going to be the underlap, and this side of the paper is going to be the overlap. And what I like to do before taping is just giving each of these sections a little pinch in. That way the paper is somewhat prepped. And we're gonna take our first piece of tape. Now I always suggest starting in the middle. So what we're gonna do is place the tape down in the back and then apply pressure. So we're just gonna tape it on the tool just like that. We're gonna push up on the underlap and then pull over like this, and then tape down into the slot, apply pressure at the bottom, and then you have your first piece of tape down. So we're gonna replicate that same thing with the last 4 areas, and so we're gonna go here, here, and then here, and then here. So just back and forth, alternating sides. So tape down, make sure it's set, push up on the underlap, and then pull down again, and then tape down. Now we're gonna go on this side, down on the tool, up on the underlap, and then pull over, and then tape down again, down on the tool, push up on the underlap, and then tape down. And you kind of want to tuck the tape under the pen each time you do it. Depends on how long your tape is, but if you have a tape dispenser like this, the size of the tape should be perfect. So we're gonna do it in the last slot. Tape down on the tool, pull up on the underlap, and then push down on the tape, tuck it in. And then now we have our pen prepped and ready. And because it's taped down, it's not easy to pull up, right? So what you wanna do, I just have a pen here. You can use anything that fits inside of the pen chamber that you can just use a little bit of leverage and pull up on. All we're gonna do is just take the remaining pieces. We're gonna apply another piece of tape to all of the white spots, and then when that's done, we're good to sublimate. So now the pen is fully taped. All that's left to do is throw it in the oven and sublimate it.